Step 1. Preparation. Press the gray groove of the drain and pull out the drain plug. Connect the drain pipe. Check whether the valve at the drain is in the closed state. Connect the power cord to the device and the power supply. Step 2. Add water to the machine. Unscrew the top cap and add an appropriate amount of water. Tighten the cap. Remove the humidification box and take off the cap of the water inlet. Add an appropriate amount of water to the wetting cup and tightly seal it with the lid. Install the humidification box onto the hydrogen inhaler. Remove the cap. Connect the hoses to the hydrogen suction machine in order. Step 3. Start the machine. Press the start button. If this symbol appears on the panel after startup, continue to add purified water until the symbol disappears. Press the flow button to adjust the flow rate. In normal mode, the maximum flow rate is 1,800 milliliters per minute and the minimum is 300 milliliters per minute. Press the pulse mode button to enter pulse mode. Press the voice button to enter mute mode. Press the sleep mode button to enter sleep mode. Press the timer button to activate the time shutdown function, adjustable from a minimum of 1 hour to a maximum of 6 hours. Step 4. Shut down the machine. Press the close button. Turn off the power of the device and the power supply equipment. Place the outlet of the drain pipe into the container. Open the valve to carry out drainage. Remove the drain pipe and insert the drain plug. Remove the humidification box, pour out the water, and install it onto the hydrogen inhaler.